Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can switch to a different template on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, let me first explain what I mean by switching templates. Previously, that was available as an option. However, now since the new update on Squarespace 7.1, you're no longer able to enter your design panel on your site, and thus you're no longer able to switch to a new template. Now, the templates on Squarespace are different from templates on other sort of website makers and things like that, since they are pretty much the same template or the same style. However, they only have different starting points and different, well, content on their quote-unquote templates. Now, to start a new one, you're going to need to create a completely different site. So let me just go ahead and click on my account and go to my account page, and from here you can click create a website and set up a new website from here. Now, the good thing about this is I'm pretty sure it will extend your trial. You can set up a trial for a new site if you create one. So for example, let me create a site for art, click next, sell product, click next. Then you can browse templates, and here you can select from the templates that you would like. For example, I'll select this one. Now, once you've selected your design, you can then start with that design, and now you have a new site with a new template. However, if you wish to use this new template on your old site, I'm pretty sure, as far as I've seen, you can transfer your URL to this site, or just give this site your old URL, and then you'll be able to pretty much use the same URL for another template. And that is basically all you can do at this point. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.